So one of our members asked, he asked, Jagat Guru, Guravaha Sandhi, Jagat Guru, Jagat Guru. So what about this Jagat, how to interpret Jagat Guru? Krishna Mande Jagat Guru also, yes. Krishna Mande, he told that how to interpret Jagat Guru in Sanskrit. Sanskrit, very powerful language. When you take any word, you can see the same word from many different angles. That's why one Bhagavad Gita, so many commentaries. You take any one sloka, the interpretation can be given in different angles, can be seen. He asked Jagat Guru. So one time, the devotee went to Kanchipuram to meet our Acharya, Paramacharya. The devotees used to call him Jagat Guru. Jagat Guru Shankaracharya. Somebody asked, are you Jagat Guru? Paramacharya told them, Chandrasekhara Saraswati Swami. People worship him like God on the earth. Are you Jagat Guru? Paramacharya told in this way. The people are calling me as Jagat Guru. Jagat Guru means what? You are the Guru for the Jagat. Generally we understand like this only. And he said, I am Jagat Guru. People are calling me as Jagat Guru. So I am not the Guru of Jagat, other people. Actually, Jagat is Guru for me. This Jagat is Guru for me. I learned so many things from Jagat. Therefore, they call me as Jagat Guru. Like that. This is the interpretation he has given. And we worship Krishna also. Krishna, Vasudeva Sutam Devam, Kamsa Chanura Mardanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Krishna Mande, Jagat Guru. Jagat. Yeah. So we worship Lord Krishna by chanting this mantra, this shloka, Jagat Guru. Krishna is, Jagat Guru. He only created this Jagat. He only showed us the path. He taught us Bhagavad Gita, he taught us Uddhava Gita. If you want to learn about Karma Yoga, Bhagavad Gita he taught, Jagat Guru. If you want to know Sannyasa, then Uddhava Gita he taught us. And it are so many things. So Jagat Guru. He is the eye of the Jagat and he is the teacher of the Jagat. Now in this context, Jagat Guru means Jagat has become teacher to our Uddhava, Avadhuta. So you can see in this angle also Jagat Guru. Okay, Jagat Guru. 24 gurus he has given the list. Actually speaking, he learned from 24 gurus. Even though he learned, so we were studying 2-3 classes, learning, teaching, 2 things. So he is telling very humbly that all the 24 teachers taught me. Actually speaking, he learned from them. Getting it? So these 24 people are not coming towards Avadhuta and not ask Avadhuta. Avadhuta, you getting it? Are you getting the point? Have you understood? Say yes. No teacher is asking Avadhuta, have you understood? When Krishna taught Arjuna, he asked, Kachitte Shrutam Pata. Have you heard whatever I told? Kachita, Ajnana Sammohaha. Your Ajnana Sammoha is for that gone? Have you understood? Are you clear? He asked after teaching. That's why 24 gurus are not coming to the Avadhuta as teaching. Actually speaking, he noticed them, he learned them. Even though he learned, he was giving credit to all the 24 gurus. This is the attitude of student. He became a student, he learned. And he said that, I only learned everything. Teacher is simply sitting there in the university. How come you know this much? I only learned. Library, internet, I only learned everything. What about your teacher? That means waste. And blaming teacher and the student is getting this kind of arrogance, I only learned. That will not stay with us. So the knowledge, what we are having, with the blessings of the teacher, blessing of the God only, it will stay with us throughout the life. Karna learned so many things from Parashurama. He went to Parashurama. Parashurama has got some of that rules and regulation. So this kind of qualified student only I will admit in my university. Okay? Karna, without that, the wrong information, he filled up this application. Karna went and learned. So many things he learned. At the end of the course, the graduation day only, Parashurama understood. He has given wrong information. So what Parashurama did, because he learned so many things from Parashurama, Karna. So you cannot take it back, very subtle form of knowledge. You cannot take the back knowledge, very subtle. So whatever, so you cannot tell that whatever you learned in these 2 days, you have to give it back. Suppose I will not tell. Whatever I told, give it back. You may tell, actually we didn't listen. What to give it back? We may tell that also. As suppose teacher asks you give it back, how to give it back? It's not an object. Everything is received and digested and what's that? It became one with the system. It is very difficult to take the subtle knowledge. How to take the subtle knowledge from Karna? So what teacher told Parashurama, hey Karna, you learned. You cheated me. Your application is wrong. With all wrong information, you cheated me. You broke my rules and regulation. Anyway, whatever you learned is learned. You know that. But at the time of requirement, you will forget it. Are you getting it? This is the curse he got from Parashurama. The knowledge will not bless you. This is what Parashurama told Karna. Very powerful, skillful person. Equal to our Arjuna. Only Karna can fight with Arjuna. Arjuna is very, very powerful. These two people are very equal status. So Karna did not get the blessings of the teacher. So here our Avadhuta says, these people are my guru, even though he learned. They never taught. He learned from them and he is giving credit to Guru. This is the tradition, Indian tradition. So whatever we learn from the person, we consider this is a teacher. From that teacher only I learned. Even though I learned, but I am giving the credit to the teacher. This is Indian tradition. So we worship knowledge, we worship teacher. Mata, Pita, Guru. Mata, Pita, Guru, Daivam. So we have this place. Guru is very highest towards that level. We keep on, we worship. Knowledge we worship, Guru also will worship. This is a credit he gives. Now we are going to study one by one. Are you ready? Ready? Philosophical thoughts also will be there. Ordinary value also will be there. Ordinary, the practical value also he is learning. And philosophical values, the truth also is going to learn. Whenever philosophical ordinary value comes, you will enjoy. Okay? The fish, pingala, sparrow, moth, honeybee, sea, python, pigeon, child, girl, arrow maker, it's very ordinary kind of value you learn. At that time, you will be very, very interesting. Some places the philosophy will be coming. At that time, you can close your philosophy also learns. Very interesting. So how to say? I like this the subject. How he learns, the learning it. How to look at the people and how to learn, the learning, collecting the information, the message, a powerful message from. Gurudev says the person who can listen the music, one who knows how to listen. Music means what? The universal music is going on, the learning, the teaching. When you tune ourselves with this universal, the musical instrument, then we know how to learn from everyone. Learning is very, very important. Open the heart, get ready. We do not know. The learning means now we have 7 to 8 class or 5 to 6:30 class. Are you getting it? 5 to 6:30 class. Only 5 to 6:30, my mind will be opening. After that, I will close. It will close automatically. That is not like. So you have to open mind should be there throughout the life. Throughout the life. Even when you do PhD or double PhD, triple PhD. When you finish the PhD, it doesn't mean that we know everything. Excuse me, I know little one. Katchadu kaiman alavu, kalladadu ulagalavu. Tamil we say, whatever we know, that is that handful of sand. And what we do not know is what that, it is the size of the universe. The known is drop, unknown is ocean. So learning. It will happen by Goddess Saraswati's grace. Okay? Now. Ete me guravaha. He says that these are all my gurus. Ete me guravaha rajan chaturvimshati ashiritaha. Chaturvimshati 24. Siksha vrittibihi etesham anvasiksham mihatmana. So I was taught by this guru. These are all my gurus, he told. So all the gurus list I have given to you. Now first guru is my earth. Earth is my first guru. Ready? Are you ready? Earth is my first guru. What to learn from the earth? And he said, Bhutaihi akramyamanopi dhiraha daiva vashanugaihi tad vidvan na chalet margat anvasiksham kshiter vratam. From the earth, I learned this. The nature of earth. I do not know how he found. Now see, from the earth I learned that rule. That the learned person should not deviate from the path and keep steady. Are you getting it? The learned person should not deviate from the path and keep steady. However much he is harassed by his fellow living beings who simply follow what is arranged by fate. The point is, when we follow some path, okay, people are there to disturb us. You like the point? You like the point? Then you want to do meditation in your own home. When? Morning 6 o'clock. But actually meditation to be done morning 5 o'clock. 6. 6 itself is very early, but I try. 6 o'clock. Why? Spiritual. You get all set up, velvet cloth, this and that, after cushion, everything. All AC, fragrance, light, dim light. Take bath, loose hair, whatever hair it is, loose hair. Nice fresh cloth. Half closed eyes. And people, they get up, they'll make their own noises also. And you are irritated inside. Particularly at that time only, they'll make all kinds of noise. You are irritated. At that time also, you should not get frustration, you should not get irritated. You getting it? This is point number 1. Like when you want to study something, they will ask you, do this work. Because this is my study time. Someone is disturbing me. When you follow some rules and regulations, people are there to disturb us. You're getting it? Suppose the next day you decided, I don't want to meditate tomorrow. All people will be sleeping very silently. See that? Okay. Day after tomorrow I can meditate. Again they get to. Getting it? This is how it's happening everywhere in the life. When I follow something, people are ready to disturb me. When I don't follow, everyone is happy. This is how the whole world is working. I want to observe Mauna Vratam tomorrow. Why Ekadasi? Mauna Vratam means what? I will not speak. Eating, I will do. But I heard Mauna Vratam means you should not eat. This is a special Mauna Vratam. I can eat, but I will not talk. Okay, Mauna Vratam. Started moving on goal. At that time only they irritate you like anything. They will talk all kinds of, particularly on that day falls into on Sunday. People are there in the house. And you started, we were not going to speak. There. Today, will you not speak today? Mm-hmm. Promise? Suppose emergency comes. Emergency period also? Suppose if you want to ask something, how will you ask? So much there. So many people will come and irritate. And some guests also will come, 4 or 5 guests. Where is your father? He's in his room. Okay, I will go and meet him. You knock the door. Hi, how are you? Anything wrong? Right. So many problems will meet on that particular day only. And next day, nobody will be there. Okay, whole house is empty. You're getting it? Bhutaihi akramya manobi. With all the people they are going to disturb. During the disturbance, we should not leave from our or that goal or whatever the thing we set. But especially whatever the rule we follow, on that particular day only, all kinds of problem will come and meet. We have seen that. Those who lived in India, they know. Suppose you wait for that particular train, particular bus, that will not come on that day. Those who live in India, then you stand in the bus stand. All buses will go. My bus will not come. Next day you are just moving that day. So yesterday we wanted that bus is going one by one. Are you getting it? This is what is happening now. When you follow something, people are there to disturb us. Even though we are disturbed by many people, we should not deviate from the path. So where did you get this kind of lesson? From the earth. Now see, this line has got very powerful scientific thought. Are you getting it? Actually, science is kept in this. How they found, how in the 5,000 years back when Bhagavan Vedavyas was writing, what he told, how the earth moves. Are you getting it? How the earth moves around the sun without deviating from its path. In the same way, the man should follow his path without deviating from his path. Getting it? They never told that the earth is moving around the sun. See? The sun is stationary. What do you call it? The sun is remaining in one place, the earth is moving. It is not told, but the truth is kept in that. How earth is moving on its path, the same, without deviation. Suppose earth, we are living on the earth is what's that? One day earth thinks that Mata, Bhumata is Bhumata only. Mother earth thinks that I can go a little closer to sun today. 1 inch. 2 inch, 5 inch. Suppose she goes 1 inch, the first what we will lose, whatever the remaining, we will lose this. Here only the bird. Because we are standing, are getting it. Get bird. Then afterwards the glass will go. Then slowly our that nose will go. Whatever the little nose will, that will go. Are getting it? The body will be burned. All the living beings, whether it is movable, immovable, everything will get burned. Perfect distance. With perfect distance, the earth moves. Perfect timing also. Perfect distance from the moon and perfect timing. It's moving and it's revolving. Oh. The same way, man should move on his path without getting deviated. This is the lesson I learned from earth. And he's telling, Bhutaihi akramya manopi divaha daiva vashanagaihi. Daiva means fate. According to our fate, we may get anything on our line. When we follow, the fate also will come and disturb us. Whatever the disturbance, whether I am getting the disturbance from the living beings or nature or by my fate, I will not deviate from my path. Do or die, we will say that. Generally, we used to hear the do or die. I am not doing, but I am ready to die. Instead of doing, you can kill me. Do or die. do or die means what? We should not get deviated from the path. That is called do or die. Getting deviated. Started with some idea and ended with some other idea. Generally, we take some kind of clay, okay? The clay. And people are asking, what you are going to make? Because Vinayaka Chaturthi is coming, eh? Vinayaka Chaturthi we call it? Vinayaka statue also you kept. Oh Lord, I want to make you. Bless me. You call someone, what is this? Hanuman. Adi Anta Deva. Adi Deva is Vinayaka, Anta Deva is Hanuman. Adi Anta Deva. You ended up with some other, deviated completely from the path. The goal is there to achieve the goal. When you walk on the path, so many deviations will come. I tell you one thing. When you finish this class, you will go to home, na? Ayyo. You go. That is the idea. What is your goal after the class? Home. Then after that, sleep. Next day, goal, office. We have some goal we reach. This is very smallest distance where we are traveling, very smallest distance. We cannot deviate from that. Very small distance. I can reach my home by 50 minutes or half an hour. It's easy. Nobody can deviate me from my car. Nobody can deviate me. If I sit in my car, then I will reach my home. Very small. Now, here the lesson what Avadhuta learned, when you take up some project, what is that project? Life project. Are you getting it? Life project. Till your last breath, you have to follow this. First, we have to decide, are we going to marry or not? First decision. After marriage, many people started thinking, ayyo. I do not know how to complete my life. Oh God, please complete my life. Because after marriage, he lived 99 years. Married at 25, 30. Getting it? You have to take. Because you entered into this family, life. When you entered in the family life, then you have to take up the project of that Grihastha Dharma. This Grihastha Dharma you have to take till your last breath. Getting it? Suppose I'm not going to take this project. I want to walk alone. Suppose you decide walk alone. Walk alone should be there till the last word there. The dangerous thing in this life, we may maintain the inspiration, we may lose the inspiration. Some other thing will come in our life. Are you getting it? We may lose faith. We may get more information. Because of the more information knowledge, we may get arrogance. Are you getting it? Position may come, power may come, money may come. Are you getting it? There are so many deviations. If it is short distance, we will not have any problem. The smallest program, the goal you had was that 6:30 to 7, very smallest program, go to T. There is no deviation. Even if you get deviation, you know how to break that. Why? Powerful goal. Just to go to the very small distance, we go and finish, we come back. There is no deviation, small distance. But we will have deviation when we will have very long distance goal. Getting it? That's why many people you watch, when you started with all nice motive, but when you ended, almost you lost your way, lost your goal. So the goal should not be the goal should not move from our vision. Always you have to keep the goal in our mind. Then you have to walk. When you walk, so many problems will come, then we should not deviate. This powerful lesson, I got it from earth. How earth moves. In the same way, I also move without getting deviated. Very powerful. A successful person means what? You should not get deviated. Maintaining the same spirit. I hope you got the powerful lesson. Just I am telling you, suppose you want to, build your body. Suppose only. Because we see some photo of Arnold. All different structure. When we go and we see our structure in the, mirror. In 2 years, I have to become Arnold number 2. What is that? Goal setting. 2 years, long time, okay? Then the underground basement, the basement you have space, you bring all gym material, this and that. What do you call this? What mill? Treadmill. Treadmill, this and that all. Good setup of gym. When father was doing all those things, Amma started laughing. Amma. Then father, why are you laughing? More than 10 years I am living with I know you are. Father says, hey, don't discourage me. Okay. From Earth I learned one lesson, Avadhuta Gita. When I said something, I will achieve it. Again, mother, what that? So whatever the rubber band she has got, she removed it. And like Kali Devi, she started laughing. Ha 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 ha. She could not control. Because you are quoting Avadhuta Gita also. Amma is enjoying it. Mother is enjoying. Father, hey, no. See, after 2 years. Arnold photo, big photo. The basement. He is my goal. I get all the equipments. So many thousands of dollars I spend. First day, morning 6 o'clock. Treadmill, this and that, and putting, what do you call this? And all kinds of juices. Orange juice, apple juice, glucose. First day. Will all inspiration. Next day also all inspiration. Third day, because without doing exercise, when you do over 1 or 2 days, the whole body is aching, pain. Everywhere pain. Third day you reduced. Instead of going to 6 o'clock, 6:30 only went there. Amma was watching. Fourth day or fifth day, 7 o'clock going there. First day 1 hour, next day half an hour, then for 15 minutes, then 5 minutes, and 7th, 10th day coming, then you are visiting it. After 1 month, you went there, you took bath, you just took that wet towel, you put on the treadmill. Treadmill is like towel. Amma was very well then. I told you, unnecessarily spend thousands of dollars on this. And father says, because you discouraged me, it happened like this. You should have encouraged. Because you cursed me. That's why it happened like this. After 6 months, he is not going to the Arnold photo. Remove this photo first. Photo is removed, and he started asking all of them. I have very nice gym. Just 1 month back only I got it. If anybody wants to tell me, I will give. Half red. Half red again. You getting it? Why it is happening? We are not able to maintain this or the consistency. Very small kind of goal. Even in small kind of goal, we are not able to maintain the consistency. Oh, this consistency, the constantly making the effort in any field, whatever the field, whether it is music field or political field, economics or your own study, whichever the field, when you set some goal, We need to have the consistency. All the failures, not because of the equipments, not because of the goal. Any goal we can keep, any equipments we can get. And why we are getting this kind of the failure in our life, whether it is materialistic or that benefit or spiritual benefit. Why we are not making any effort? But we are not putting the constant effort. That is a secret. So that secret I got from earth. How to get success? Why we are not getting the success? Goal is available, equipment is available, everything is available nowadays in the world. So you got to start doing japa. Now hereafter I want to do japa. Take japa mala. First day 5 mala. Second day 6 mala should be given. Second day 4 mala. Third day 3 mala. Sixth day half mala. After 1 week you put it. I want to do meditation. You getting it? See the improvement. In 1 week I dropped japa. And next week sitting and doing japa. And next week lying down doing japa. Meditation means what? My mind should be on Brahman. Why unnecessarily take bath and sit? Wake up from the bed. Otherwise your mind says, hey, what you are doing is you are compromising your value. Your mind is compromising. Buddhi is educating. Hey, what you are doing is wrong. Okay, Buddhi is disturbing me. What to do? So instead of having 1 pillow, you have 3 pillows. And sit like this 45 degrees. Hearing it, very difficult. Whether it is spiritual or material, when you set the goal, so this is disturbance we are getting from our own mind. Disturbance from outside, disturbance from our own fate. The person should not deviate. So this value from the earth I learned. This can be applied materialistically and spiritual. This is up to our, the requirement. So we can teach our children also Balavihar. So you keep some goal and have this consistent effort, then you will get it. That's all. 6 months effort. 6 months you have to keep that fire. 1 year you have to keep that fire. 5 years. The 12 years of Mahabharata, 12 years Pandavas went to forest. After that also they kept fire. That's why they could win over the Mahabharata war. 12 years Bhima was waiting for this war. Again, consistency was there. This consistency only brings effort, then success. This I learned from Mother Earth. Is it okay? Consistency. Very nice sloka. This is not from Bhagavatam. This is not from Bhagavatam. This is from Bhartrhari. The parallel thought I brought to you. Prarabhyatena kalu vigna bhayena nichaihi. The low kind of people will not start any problem. Why? If I start any problem will come. If I start any program, problem will come. So therefore I am not starting any program. Why don't you start some? Problem will come. Nichaihi. For fear of obstacles, nothing is begun at all by persons who are low spirited. Are you getting it? Nichaihi. They will not start anything. Prarabhya vigna vihita viramanti madhyaha. So madhya, the middle kind of people, they will start. Once they start, if they get to single problem, they will stop. Single problem, they will stop. Madhyama. Vignaihi punaha api pratihanyamanaha. Again and again, even though they get problem, they will not leave this path, they will not leave the goal. Prarabdham uttama janaha na parityajanti. Are you getting it? The great people will not leave this path, will not leave the goal, even though they are again and again beaten by the problem. Very, very powerful sloka from Bhartrhari Niti Shloka, Bhartrhari Niti Shatakam. So 3 kinds of people. I will not start, very low kind. I will start when I get problem, I will get away. Third person, the third category where I will start, even if I get so many problems, I will smash this problem, I will get it. We have to study how our Bhagirath brought Ganga from heaven to the earth. This is called Bhagirath Prayatna. Bhagirath Prayatna, we used to say that. By so many problems, so many vignas, he broke everything and brought. Everybody should learn how Ganga he brought from heavenly world. Every step the problem. That's why our ancestors, our great people, our sages, they told, Shreyamsi Bahuvignani. Whatever the great task we take, the vignas will be there. So we have to break the vigna and reach the goal. The point is, because of the vigna or the obstacles, we should not deviate. This is that. Are you getting it? That what you call the fortitude in English, we call it fortitude, dhriti. The dhriti should be there to achieve anything, any field. So the weak mind will not have this kind of dhriti. Weak mind will be smashed by the problem. Now the strong mind, if you have dhriti, then we can break everything and we will reach it. I know you understood, okay? Very, very powerful lesson. How to reach the success, whatever, including the gym, okay? Including the gym, including the bodybuilding. Anything. Whether it's japa or bodybuilding or some other kind of study or some master degree we do, whatever it may. We fit the goal. The problem is, if it is very short time, we can achieve. If the time is extending, 10-year goal, you will lose. For lifetime goal, definitely you will lose. There is so many people we see in our life, how they are deviating completely from the, by God's grace only you have to walk. God's grace is needed. Any goal. The consistency is very important. So many deviations. Suppose you walk in the path of spirituality, suddenly you get doubt whether God is existing or not. You studied Vedanta and you are walking in the path, suddenly you get some doubt. Why I am walking, whether God is existing or not? So far I didn't have any experience. Why should I follow? I can have some panini. Go back. Are you getting it? From power, position, everything, you live with the people. Something may happen, but the person may go back. Why I leave everything, I am walking in this path. Suddenly the inspiration may go. So this kind of consistency should be there to reach. Very, very powerful lesson I learned from earth. You like this lesson? Don't deviate from the path is the punchline. I have given the original, excuse me. This is the original sloka and the explanation. This is parallel sloka from Niti Shataka. And the punchline we have to remember. If somebody asks, today you went to class. Huh? Yeah. What did you learn? 1 minute. So many things, what should I tell? Suppose from Earth's island, I should not deviate from my path. Very powerful. See, simply getting deviated is different. Simply, why you are deviated? I want to have some fun, that's why. For fun, we can deviate, okay? Now here, I am very seriously walking. Somebody is coming and pulling me. So much of distraction means what? Attraction is called distraction. Here I noticed people used to take us in the car. They used to sit on the watch side. And someplace in the board it is written attraction. I seen this. I noticed it. Attractions. 5 miles. Yeah, the word is, they using the word is very powerful word. The meaningful word. Attraction means what? Excuse me, I'm asking you. Attraction means you have something to, spend some time there and you just, attraction. The 5 miles attraction is coming. You are very seriously driving, the next person, attraction. Hey, attraction. Deviation. So from a main road you are going with very fast very fast that you have to reach on time. You are getting somebody else. The attraction is not coming from you. Somebody is pulling you. Attraction board also is there. Somebody is pulling you. Then you have to listen to this board and listen to this person also. You have to deviate. Once if you deviate, it will take half an hour and time will not be able to. Are you getting it? So the road very nicely written, attractions. Very nice word. Actually deviations. You understand. Now you have to think more on this. If only one powerful point, you think more on that. Instead of telling other people, we have to check our own life, whether I am deviated, I am on the path. Sometime we will think that I am a spiritual person. I am 10 years I am a spiritual person. Senior most actually. I am coming to this class, Vedanta, I studied Atma Bodha, Tattva Bodha, Vivek Chudamani, Bhagavad Gita 18 chapters, Ramayanam, Mahabharatam, now Bhagavad also I am learning, 10 years senior most. Are you walking? Yeah, of course. Sometimes we sit in the car, engine is on, we are thinking the car is moving. Engine is on, sitting in the car, thinking that car is moving, car is not moving. 10 years I am coming here, going, coming, going. Are you getting it? And listening so many things. Whenever the teacher says, I know this, now see next point, what is going to say? I know. He says, next point, how do you know? 10 years. I am listening 10 years. Just coming, listening, that's all. Are you getting it? We are sitting in the car, engine is on, but car is not moving, we are thinking we are moving in the car. That's also a kind of imagination. Moving in the car means what? We have to make effort. With effort only the transformation comes. Reflection, practice. When you practice, you will fail, again practice, again fail, again practice, again fail, like that only. The engine is moving. The car is moving. Engine is on. So you have to sit in the path, engine should be on, and you have to move slowly. So everything should be. When we are moving only, at that time we will get deviation, distraction or attraction. So how to cut it and how to put it back on the road. When Vishwamitra was doing tapas, okay? When Vishwamitra was doing tapas, Manaka came to distract him from the goal, because he said the goal, I want to become Brahma Rishi. Indra is jealous of him. He may get Brahma Rishi or he may get my post. This person is a little dangerous person. Divert this person. So to divert, someone will come. You see our Purana Idihasa. Whenever someone is going to do some tapas, somebody will come. With all background music. All this music. And they will play football, volleyball, all this ball in front of all the music. He will just open it. So who has come? We have come from this. Team will come, not only one person. The team will come, they will distract. And Vishwamitra stopped. Vishwamitra started living with Menaka 10 years. 10 years he forgot himself. Started living with Menaka. After 10 years only, he realized, actually, I came here to do tapas to become Brahma Rishi. Now I am making a house in the forest. I am living with Menaka. You getting it? 10 years deviation. But read any small kind of the article, they write, Menaka came and distracted Vishwamitra. The distraction is 10 years. Many years also we may distract and we may forget our goal. See that. Then after that he he became so conscious. Hey, hereafter I should not get deviated again. He is very conscious. Now he is doing tapas. And one more person is coming. Ramba. Now he is very alert. Now he came, Ramba came. At that time when Ramba came, he became so conscious. You came here to distract me. You just go over that. You become like stone. That's all. Again one more deviation. What? Anger. The first time the desire. Next time anger. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, so many were the deviations, then he got. How to overcome, one by one, how to reach. So do not deviate from the path. This is number one. You like this message? Very powerful message. This I learned from now. See, we also walked on this earth more than 60 years or 70 years. We never got this message. Suppose Brahmaji, we go to Brahma Loka after this life. How do you know? I know. Because we learn Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad, all this. Definitely Brahma Loka will go. Otherwise, at least we go to heavenly world. Otherwise, when you go to other world, they take us through heavenly world. Somehow we may reach. At that time the Devatas will ask, where are you coming from? Somnath. Where are you coming? Washington. Which one? DC, sir. Are you getting it? How many years you lived on the earth? 70. Okay, sorry, 80. Why 70? 80. 80 years I lived. Okay. You lived on the earth. Did you learn anything from the earth? Nothing. Suppose they may ask some question, one word question. One word answer. Have you reflected upon this earth? But I have 2-acre land there. I could not build my own house. See, go back to Somnath. Washington, no, some other place he gave me. The place where I lived, people didn't like me. Other place. Suppose when we meet this kind of Devatas, what you learn? Now we learned something from that. We walked on the earth, we lived on the earth. From the earth, we have to learn how earth is moving in its path without deviation. The same way, I will try my best. Suppose a deviation, something comes and pulls us at that time when we go, so we have to become alert immediately. There's no wrong in it. Falling is not wrong. Falling and sleeping is wrong. We have to get up. Many people, when they were walking, they fell down. It's okay. Gurudev used to say, never mind. It's never mind. Forget it. And what's that? Walking. Keep walking. This is one lesson from that. Don't deviate from the earth. Is it okay? Shall we go to Vayu? From the earth. Suppose you learn very different, very nice information from one. So how much he must have reflected, our Avaduta. It needs to have reflection. Reflected so much and got this one message. So when he takes up this kind of goal, he never deviated. Because I reached the goal, never deviated. I'm enjoying this Ananda. Are you getting it? Why we are not enjoying Ananda? Even simple thing also not able to achieve. How will I get? How can we get Ananda? When you achieve something, then Ananda will come. 2 years I worked, I get it. For lifetime I worked, I get it. Ananda will come. Point number 2, air. From the air, what he learned. Shall we go? Vishayeshu avishan yogi nana dharmeshu sarvataha gunadosha vipetatma na vishajjeta vayuvat. The nature of air is it will move. The yogi free from selfhood should. Just like the wind, never get entangled in relating to the objects of the sense and all the different favorable and unfavorable qualities. That means now see, the nature of wind will move from one place to other place. You agree? This will one place to other place. Sitting somewhere and watching the wind, he reflected on the wind and learned very nice lesson from the wind. The very interesting thing, Gunadosha Vyapetatma na Vishajjeta Vayuvatu. Vayu, the nature of Vayu will not get attached. So Vayu will move from one place to another place. Even though we move from one place to other place, we should not get attached with the things and beings. Excuse me? See now, in our case, wherever we go and we stay, there we'll get attached. The company is asking you to get away from this place. Getting it? After 5 years, not for just 6 months is enough to attach in one place. 1 year attach, 5 years attach, 10 years. I may die here, but I will not go. Suppose we go from that place with, I miss you. What happened? I miss everything. The attachment is very deep. Here he says, when you live in one place, you live there. When somebody is asking you to get away from them, just get and go away like wind. What is this message? Huh? Yo. Detachment. That's why Krishna take Krishna's life. He lived in Gokula. Are you getting it? The people who loved him like anything, more than their prana. Gokula, Brindavana. They went to Mathura. They went to Dwaraka, Hastinapura, Kurukshetra. Are you getting it? Wherever the duty is calling him, simply he moved like Vayu. No attachment to things and beings. One thing we should learn very deeply, that we have come from somewhere else. Okay, you agree? Somewhere else, and we are living here. Lived in India once upon a time. Now we are living here. After some time, we have to leave this place. You are frightening this. After some time, I am not telling the date, okay? I have to leave this. We have come from somewhere else, we are living and we have to leave. You have to understand this deeply. When you understand this, then wherever you go, we know how to live without attachment. Do you agree? One day you have to live that. Not getting attached to things and beings. Krishna taught us how to live without attachment. How wind goes from one place to another place. One more very powerful thing about wind. Suppose wind moves in jasmine plate, okay? You have this jasmine, basket of jasmine. Wind moves. When wind moves on these flowers, it takes jasmine flowers fragrance. You agree? It takes, okay. So whenever we go and we live with the people, we have to live with these people, enjoying everything with the people. Okay? It takes jasmine flower flavor. And after some time, it drops that flavor, fragrance. It drops. It carries up to some distance, that's all. After that, it drops. And then a big basket of a rose flower is kept. Are you getting it? The same wind dropped jasmine fragrance, now has taken rose flower. Again, it carries to some extent. Then again, it drops there. Okay? Then you bring some, some scent, what do you call it? Scent shop, perfume shop. The wind goes there and comes back, taking all kinds of perfumes. After that, drops that also. This is the nature of wind. Wherever it goes, stays there with that object and drops and goes. Drops, goes very nicely. Without any attachment. Vishayeshu na vishajyate vayuvat. There is no attachment. Simply detachment. It has got its own nature, not attaching with any things and beings. This is the value of Vayu. So whenever we come out of house or when we go somewhere, we stand some other place, we enjoy this breeze, okay? We enjoy the breeze and we say, today the climate is very nice. No, but the weather is very nice. That's all. After that, that's all. Now he reflected on the Vayu. What is the nature of Vayu? It takes drops, so it nicely goes. Now Vishajyata, detachment. So all our problems because of the attachment, you agree? Because we attach with the things and beings. Without that thing, I cannot live. Without that person, I cannot live. I want you be with me forever. Why? I like you so much. How much? So much. You be with me. The person says, you be with me. That person says, I don't like you. This person says, you be with me. That person says, I don't like your presence. Whether you like me or not, but I like you, be with me. Now see, this is called attachment. If I want to become happy, your presence, I need your presence. But I don't worry about whether you are happy or not. Are you getting it? I don't worry about your happiness. I'm worrying about my happiness. To make me happy, you have to be with me. You got the idea? This is called attachment. Love means what? Wherever you want to live, you live. Just I like you, that's all. There's no need that you have to be with me. I like you, wherever you just you go live. You getting it? In love, we make other people happy. In attachment, other people should make me happy. I hope you got it. In Tamil, we have very nice that Tirukural. Anbilar ellam thamakkuriyar, anbudayar enbumuriyar pirarku. Tirukural says that. Anbilar, if you do not have that love for anyone, when we love ourselves, attachment, ellam thamakkuriyar, we will ask all the things and beings to be with me. I want to be happy. I will compel all the people and all the things to be with me. Therefore, wherever I go, I will take all the things with me. Thamakkuriyar. So I will keep everything for. Anbudayar enbumuriyar pirarku. If I love this community, then I can give even my bones, my body also to the community. In the love, other will be happy. In the attachment, only I will be happy. But I will torture all the people. This is the difference between attachment and what that love. You get it? Get it or not? Very nice. You sit and reflect, you will get answer for so many the question. And detachment gives happiness. Actually, when we attach, you expect, the attachment expectation will come. Suppose you like someone, suppose only, okay? You like someone. When you started liking someone, you feel that the person should reciprocate. Ayyo. The home only I'm telling, not anywhere outside. How much you are not looking at me. You're getting it. You're reciprocating. I brought everything, I bring everything, whatever you do, for you only I'm doing. You are not showing, replying, repaying it, okay? You feel dejected or not? Dejected. When we give 50% in joy, when we get the opposite, 100% joy, getting the mutual should be there. The mutual is not there. The father brings everything. Everybody is eating and swallowing and not telling anything, not showing any gratitude. The father is, he just loves everyone. Nobody is repaying. Okay, the father studied this Vayu. He understood. And he does everything for the family and not expecting anything. He goes from first floor, okay? The first floor building, the first floor and ground floor. He brings everything he shared with his family members, goes from ground floor to first floor like Vayu. Dropped everything, he goes there. There he lives very happily. And people are asking, why he is behaving differently today? Because he studied second Guru. He understood. Because I'm attaching with the people, I'm expecting something, that's why I'm suffering. Now I understood. I have to live in this house like Vayu. Not expecting anything, not attaching with anything. I love everyone. Because you are living with me, I do whatever you want. Just I do, not expecting anything. I go to my room like Vayu. And that particular day, everybody is seeing our father is flying, na? So far he was walking. Today is flying like Devata. Why? He understood what is Vayu. Settle down. And people are coming, knocking the door and open. Yes, come in. What do you want? No, why today you are behaving like my Guru is Vayu. I understood. I am not attaching anything. Just I give my thing. That's I'm not expecting anything, not attaching things and beings. You be happy. The one who follows this Vayu, he makes other people very happy, not expecting anything, not attaching with them. He understood. I have come from some other world. I have to go to other world. Why, Dad, you are talking like this? You don't love us? Because I love you so much, that's why I brought so much. But you are so different today. You see, you look so happy. Yes, hereafter it will be like this only. You talk philosophy. Yes, I understood philosophy. Hereafter, you getting it? In detachment, we feel happiness. Many people, detachment is not dry. We are not getting the understand. Detachment means not to take this ring out or what that gold out, or dress, what that, what do you call, the kanji pattu, what do you call? Sari. Not to take this sari and wear very ordinary sari. Take all the gold. You give me only plastic. No, the detachment is not taking gold or knocking. We have everything. What kind of relationship we have with the things and beings? It's not that we should not wear. Yeah, let it be there. What kind of relationship we have with this gold? What kind of relationship I have with this object? The relationship, when we understand, is called detachment. Detachment we should get through the understanding. Are you getting it? Not simply dropping it. You got it? Detachment only gives happiness like anything. Appa, very nice feeling. I do not know how to tell. Detachment. What is detachment? Detachment. How? Like vayu. So just drop, just go, drop, go. Very nice. Or that kind of value I got from this air. So what you learn from there? Detached attachment. Are you getting it? I will be in that family. You can call me dad or uncle, whatever it may be, but I am detached, but I will be living in this home only. Are you getting it? Dad, you became jnani. Yes, of course. So behind you, I see some hara. Yeah, hereafter it will develop. Because only 2 gurus, 22 gurus are there. I get it. All positive values. Oh, positive. Very nice subject. Okay? Slowly, how to apply the detachment. Small techniques we'll discuss. Okay? Tomorrow evening we'll meet. Yeah. Will you come tomorrow? Yes.